Hello, this is Elaine-Daniel Shauger. Come to sga.gov and get ready to learn how to do the down under nut. This is Dan Shauger showing his swing. We have an academy school, over 300 online course. That means when you purchase something, you can watch it on your phone at the driving range. We do have the PGA pros order our books and DVDs because they do not know what down under nut means. Really, let's tell the world what it means. We hit the golf off the right side of the hip. We do not do the rollover with the arms and hands. You can't tell by watching this video. We have to show you about not rolling the arms and hands over. But pay attention to his legs. Left leg bent, right leg straight, back and forth, heels up and down. We do not keep our feet flat on the ground. Read my testimonies from my seniors saying up and down with the heels. I don't crook my back and knees. Dan Shauger knows what he's talking about. I'm a senior and I'm getting more distance.